Hello, mga Jaconetics and mga kaingo natin dyan. Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Tutor Jaco at your service, as always. Alright, well, for today's video, we will still continue our tutorial on, how to use the OpenShot video editor. Actually, this is our part 6 already, so we have done parts 1 to 5. So this is already part 6. And today we will talk about, the blur effects. All right. So in many cases, especially in my case, I usually blur the face of the students and also the material, okay, for confidentiality. I know some of you here, I think most of you vloggers, you would also like to use the blur effects, okay, again for confidentiality. All right, so this time let's go to our OpenShot editor. Okay, so actually I'm now on my OBS screen sharing feature. So also I will also make a tutorial on how to use your our OBS platform. Okay, so let's go to the OpenShot video editor. All right, this time we will now use the blur effect using the OpenShot video editor. All right, first is kukuha muna tayo ng video, sample video, which we will be going to edit. All right. So I think andyan na yung video. And then for this tutorial, dalawang track lang yung aking kailangan. So I have to remove this track. Kasi initially, kapag mag-open ka ng this editor, 5 agad yung bibigay niyang track. Okay? So ayan. Andyan na. So this time, ilalagay natin siya here. Okay? Track number 1. Ayan. So the next thing we will do here is, again, you put the same video in track number 2. Alright? Para hindi magkasabay yung audio niya, you remove the audio or the volume of clip in track 2 to 0. Kasi ang mangyayari kapag nagsasabay yung boses nag-e-echo. So you have to remove the audio of track number 2. Alright? After that, we will now use the effects. Alright? So in blurring, like for example, if portion of the video lang yung i-blur mo, you need to also apply the crop effect. Alright? So, lagay natin yung crop. Again, just click it and then drag down. Doon sa track number 2. And then the next thing is you also click and drag down blur effects in track number 2. Again, nasa track number 2 siya. Alright? So this time, kasi naka-simple view ito, let's move to advanced view para ma-edit natin yung crop and also the blur effect. Ganyan. Alright? So, una-una natin gagawin is the blur effect. So, ayan. So, na-blur na siya lahat. Okay? Pero, in my case, portion lang nung video ang aking i-blur. Like, for example, my face. So, go to crop. I-click mo lang itong maliit na icon dito sa track 2. So, see. So, you have to adjust. Alright? Bottom, I think that's point 40. Let's try. Okay, medyo 0.30. Ayan. Okay? So, enough na sa akin yung blur, ha? If you wanna adjust the blur, like gusto nyo pa talaga i-blur, you just adjust the horizontal radius, the other things like vertical, the sigma. Okay, so you can actually edit it here. Ganyan. So, balik tayo doon sa crop. And then, let's go to the next one. Okay, top. I think top is kailangan lang ito na. Ayan. So, kailangan 0.03. Alright? And then, the left side, Left side, I think mga 0.20. Ayan. So, and the right side is around 0.50, I think. Okay, sumobra. So, dapat 0.40 lang. Ayan. So, na-blur ko na yung aking face. Ganyan, guys. So, if you are going to play that, medyo nag-ano siya. Alright, well, if in case in the middle of your video you would like to expand the blur or gusto mo lakihan yung blur, pwede mong gawin yan dito. Okay, sa OpenShot Video Editor. Okay, the thing na gagawin mo lang is dito, okay? Remember this one, ito. I don't know what's this called. I think this is a play ruler. I don't know. Kasi ito yung play button. Pero ito, this is I think a play ruler. Kasi ito yung sinusundan mo. So like for example, mayroon kang ina-apply na effects. So, dapat after this, okay, andito yung ruler. So, dyan ka mag-a-apply ng effects. Like for example, gusto mo in this part of the video, mas lakihan mo yung blur. Okay, like for example, bottom part na gusto mo tabunan yung ano, yung lieg. So, adjust mo lang siya to 0.20. Ayan. Alright, so natabunan na siya. And then, or kung gusto mo, ganyan. Alright. So, on the left side, I mean, like for example, bottom. That's bottom already. So, right side, mas aanuhin natin, lagyan natin. So, lagay natin 0.30 para di makita yung headset. Alright. For top, I think that's already 0.03. Or, ito, gusto mo lang 0.20, ganyan. And then, left side, siguro 0.10. Ayan. Okay? So that's how you do it. So importante na whenever you have, want to change something, always remember this play ruler, right? So when you play it, now let's adjust. Mm, mm. So medyo punta tayo doon sa simple view para mas makita natin. Ayan. Okay? So let's play again. Balik natin kasi naglalag. Okay, so kung makikita ninyo, dito, klaro pa yung leeg and then parts of the headset. Pero pagdating dito, i-move lang natin. Ayan. So, pag nandito na siya, so ayan. Kasi maano mo naman, makikita mo naman yung mga marks na green. Okay? So, meaning dito, iba yung blur effect. Medyo maliit. Pagdating dito, lalaki na yung blur effect. Yan. Alright? So, ayan. Oh, hi! Hello? Hi!
Hi.
Oh, wow, you're there. Okay. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
What about my video? Let me fix it. Can you see me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, well, nice. All right. Well, my name is Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for this evening.
Okay.
So, how would you like me to call you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, how are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Good to know that you're doing fine. And by the way, what's the weather like in your country today?
It's cloudy.
Wow, do you love that kind of weather?
Yes.
Okay. It's good to know. Okay.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay. Well, I'm Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for tonight. So, how would you like me to call you? But great to know that you're doing fine. So, how's your day so far?
Tiring.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Well, thank you, by the way, for booking me tonight, even if you are tired. Okay. Thank you for taking time. Okay. And then, yeah, okay, can you hear and see me clearly just to check?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's clear. And well, since this is our first time to have a lesson, let's have like a short self-introduction to get to know each other better. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, yeah, again, I'm Jacko. I'm Oh, hi.
Hi.
Wow, I love the smile. There's like so much positivity, okay? Well, by the way, my name is Jacko, so I'm gonna be your tutor for today. So how would you like me to call you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Wow, it's good to know that you're doing good. So, ayan guys, so that's how we are going to use the blur effect using the video editor. So it's very useful in my case because I'm doing online lessons and in there, in my lessons, hindi ko pwede i-divulge yung identity ng aking mga estudyante. So kailangan talaga i-blur or i-cover para hindi makita yung identity ng estudyante kasi bawal yan. So that's grant for termination. Alright? So, ganun. Okay? That's how you use the blur effects using the OpenShot video editor, guys. Alright? Well, if you are new to this channel, guys, please hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. And if you like this video, please hit that like and there. And also, if you want to say something or if you want to suggest something, comment that down below. All right, and I would really, I'll be glad to see your comment in the comment section below. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you again in my next video. Bye for now.